Hi there, I'm Dr. Candice Bovell, a registered clinical psychologist. If you are an adult living in Ontario and experiencing anxiety, stress, or depression, I'm here to help.
What are mood disorders or depressive disorders? Depression is a condition in which a person feels discouraged, sad, hopeless, unmotivated, or disinterested in life in general. Most people experience these feelings sometimes, but when such feelings last for more than 2 weeks, and it interferes with daily activities such as taking care of family, going to work or school, or spending time with friends, it is likely a major depressive episode. But there's good news. Treatment is available from Wellness View Psychological Services, Ontario. Major depression is a treatable illness that affects the way a person thinks, feels, behaves, and functions. Depression is one of the most common mental disorders in North America, and with proper help, it is very treatable. Psychotherapies for depression include behavioral activation, which involves engaging in activities that are relaxing, enjoyable, or useful. Cognitive behavior therapy, or CBT, that teaches you how to challenge or change problematic thought patterns and unhelpful behaviors that contribute to symptoms. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy that teaches you how to be in the present moment, on purpose, in a non-judgmental way. Acceptance and commitment therapy, or ACT, that helps you learn how to accept the present moment and commit to improving your life at the same time. It also involves identifying and living according to your values. Interpersonal therapy that helps you improve your relationships and communication skills. And problem-solving therapy that you can use to solve complex life problems in a strategic way. A minimum of 5 to 10 therapy sessions is recommended.
If you would like to book an appointment, please visit www.wellnessview.ca and complete the confidential screener.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.